Members, members, members. Immigrants and asylum seekers are human beings, and they need to be treated as such. They are sons, daughters, mothers, fathers, brothers, sisters, and friends. I am an immigrant. I am from Haiti, and you have heard my stories over and over. Immigrants left their homes, they left their families, they left everything they knew to risk their lives in search of better opportunities. Where is the humanity in House Bill 5? Where is the understanding that these people are not leaving their homes to come here for a vacation? They are leaving because they are fleeing persecution, violence, crime, atrocities, rape, dictatorship, insecurity, poverty, and you name it. Dictatorship, I will tell you about dictatorship. I left Haiti, and I will tell you again why. I was a very good student who aspired to go to medical school. I couldn't attend the medical school that I scored 100% in the exam. And you know why? Because I did not have a godfather working for the government. That was the only reason. So I had to leave my home and come to these United States of America, who took me with open arms. Fortunately, my dad could afford to send me by plane, bought a ticket, and sent me here to live with my family because I already had family who were living here. But guess what? Those asylum seekers don't have that opportunity to come here by plane. I believe that our debate today should focus on the fact that the asylum seekers are real people. We all have to agree that a lack of leadership, a lack of vision in their countries is a major contributor to them leaving their native lands. But is that a reason for them to be treated in such an inhuman manner? I'm an immigrant, and I know what it feels like to leave your home. I have done it, and believe me, it takes a big toll on you physically, mentally, emotionally. I know some of you have never been in the shoes of an immigrant, and you cannot understand the emotional and physical toll that it takes on people. This type of displacement, the type of effect that this displacement can take on a human being. We know that the migrants are coming from different places, such as Cuba, Venezuela, Mexico, Haiti, and so many other places. However, being Haitian, I can speak to the struggles and the challenges that they face when they begin their journey to arriving in these United States of America that we all call home. And I know a lot of us are immigrants in this room. If not us, our ancestors are immigrants. Members, to get on a boat filled of dozens of people with little to no food, leaving your family and everything that you have ever known, not knowing if you would make it alive or dead to be found by the Coast Guard, means that the United States is truly special. And we should recognize what makes America special and not turning our backs on those who want to join the great American promise, because I'm living it. I left Haiti, and now I find myself in this chamber with you being a state representative. So I have an obligation to make sure that people are treated with the respect and dignity that they deserve, and for us not to turn the back on them or treat them like they're a piece of like they're in a chess game. As the famous poet Emma Lazarus stated on the Status of Liberty, "Give me your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free, the wretched refuse of your teeming shores." I hope these words resonate with you this morning. Instead of shutting these people out and transporting them all over the country in the name of what we're doing, as HB 5 will do, you should live up to the great ideals that we claim to stand for. Let's work together to create a Florida in which we all are welcome. Yes, I'm not saying for the United States or Florida to take, but guess what? They are here. They came for a purpose. And we know it's a lack of leadership in these countries. Why can't we work and have a better process instead of doing that to them? They are my brothers, they are my sisters, and they are me. Florida welcomed me with open arms, and I'm grateful. And I want to do the same for all who seek to join us in progress with us. Those immigrants, those asylum seekers, they are the one, when you go to a restaurant, they are the one fixing your food. They are the one cleaning out those hotels where we are staying right now. They are the one, some of them could be right here in this building, cleaning this building where you go in every morning. So let's fix our broken immigration system. Let's put ourselves sometimes in those people places. You have never been there, but guess what? That can be one of your family members as well. And I'm pretty sure some of us in this chamber have some families who are there being those asylum seekers. And we just close our eyes and turn our back on them. Let us keep weaving the rich tapestry of Florida instead of abruptly, and I would say abruptly because this is what we're doing, severing those threads. I urge you, my fellow members, please, 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 and I know we all are human, and I know you have a heart, and I know you can do what's right. Let's have a heart. Let's do something. Let's do something that we all can remember, something that we all can be proud of. And vote no on this bill. Because we can go back and try to fix the problem as opposed to making it worse for human beings. And if it's one thing else that I will do, I don't want them to be called alien anymore. I do not want them to be called aliens. What is an alien? What is an alien? We know what an alien is. These are human beings. And words sometimes can be. I'm getting a little nervous about this because this should not be happening here. I want us to rename, to use another term as opposed to aliens. So members, please let the humanity in you this morning prevail. Please vote no on this bill and stand with me because I know a lot of you call me friends. We are friends. I respect you and respect me also and respect the asylum seekers. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Representative Gottlieb, you recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I yield the floor to Representative Darrell Campbell.